So most of you guys have been following my channel for some time now know that I am a big Google supporter and a huge enthusiast of Android. But that doesn't mean that I won't call out Google or Android for either mistakes that they made or just some things that I think that they're lacking on. And so with this video, guys, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Duo and where is the group video calling? Like, what progress has it made? Because this is an interesting thing that's happening right now that I think that Google needs to get the ball on, and one of the reasons why Google services fails to be used by a lot of Android users. So back in December, a lot of publications talked about Google server-side testing Google video calling, which was going to allow up to 7 people simultaneously on one video call, which is something that we've been wanting on Duo. Duo is a great video calling application. As a matter of fact, when it first came out to what it is right now, they have made some big strides, seamlessly baking it into Android and making it seamlessly accessible from whether the dialer app or the messaging app without just having to go into the Duo app like it did when it first came out. Also, you don't have to take my word for it, you can try it out yourself, but if you compare Hangouts video calling to Duo video calling, you'll see that Duo is much more smoother, less jank, less freezing happening compared to video calling on Hangouts. And I know that Google is trying to keep the same smoothness and use of Duo with allowing up to 7 people on one video call. Yes, they're not looking to push 32 people like Hangouts video call could do. You could have 32 people on one call in Hangouts. With Duo, it's only going to be up to 7. But this is something that Android enthusiasts who use a lot of Google services, Google products, are wanting to happen. As we already know that Apple and the iPhone allows video calling with FaceTime in a group environment. You can do it, I believe, at this point right now. Where is it for Duo? Because Duo basically is Android's own version of what FaceTime is to iOS. Okay, now the reason why I'm saying that Google needs to pick it up a little bit, kind of let us know what's happening with it, is it making any progress, is the fact that on Android there's a lot of applications that you can use other than Duo for video calling. One of the major ones, the main ones that a lot of people use is Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. So with those being options that people can use, if Android's wanting its users to be able to use Duo, they're going to have to bring this thing out sometime soon. At least give us some insight as to where it currently is at right now. I mean, this morning I woke up and I was like, hey, whatever happened to group calling for Duo? And so I decided to get on the internet and kind of research this thing, and there hasn't really been any new breakthroughs or any mentions of any progress that this thing has made. And so that kind of inspired me just to like hop on here right now, the Sunday, even though this is not my day to make videos, and just kind of make a video about it, talk to you guys about what my thoughts are about it, and get your guys' feedback on it. So yeah, Google, come on, man, get on the ball and let's get this thing rolling. If you really want to test it out, in my opinion, if it's at a point where you can do it, I would roll out a beta version of it on the Play Store and allow us consumers to actually try it out in beta before fully launching it, and at least let us go ahead and figure out all the bugs and things like that and report back to you guys on what kind of bugs and things that we've been experiencing with the group video calling. The same as you do with the Android beta program, where you allow us to grab the beta version of the next version of Android. I think this is one that you guys can definitely put into the beta program and allow us to test out. But that's pretty much my thoughts on Duo group video calling. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. If you just saw this video for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell option to know when I upload a video. And yeah, so tomorrow's video, I don't know exactly what I'm going to be shooting tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be more of like a wing it day, but I'll have something for you guys tomorrow. But anyways, thanks for coming in today on this wonderful Sunday and checking out my video. And as always, aloha.